Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to make chicken pulao. So let's make it. These are the ingredients of chicken pulao. So over here I've taken 1 kg of rice soaked in water. You can take basmati as well as sela rice. I'm more comfortable in sela rice, so I've taken sela rice over here. Now I have taken 3 medium-sized onions cut into small pieces. I have ginger garlic paste along with the green chili. So I've added also green chili in the paste, in the ginger garlic paste, so that the taste become really nice. So I've added this one, so I'll be using almost 1 tablespoon of it. Then these are the masala ingredients. So I've used 1 tablespoon of red flake chili, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, 7 to 8 or 8 to 10 whole black pepper. Then I've taken half teaspoon of caurum seed, a few sticks of cinnamon, 4 to 5. Then I have taken cloves, 5 to 6 cloves. I've taken also 4 black cardamoms and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and nonetheless I've taken chicken. So 1 kg chicken. I'm adding 1 kg chicken, so it's all up to you whether you want to take fresh one or frozen one. So this is the recipe for 1 kg chicken. So 1 kg rice, 1 kg chicken is enough. So let's start making chicken pulao. In the pot I've taken 200 to 250 ml of oil, vegetable oil, any type of oil that you wanted. And that pot I'll be adding the onions. So I'll cook the onions until it fries. You see the onions are nicely golden brown. This is the point where we'll be adding ginger garlic paste along with green chili. Now don't fry too much, just mix it a little while and add water so that the color will not become more brown. At that point of time, now I'll be adding masala. Just remember that I haven't put any tomatoes in rice. Whenever I'm making rice, I'm not using tomatoes. So it's just the masala. Let it be cooked a little bit and then we'll be adding chicken to it. Now you can see over here, it's brown on one side, so you just turn it on the other side. So let the other side be a little bit brown. Then we'll be adding water. Now you can see the chicken is nicely brown. Don't cook it for too much time, just brown it until the oil is out. Now this is the point at which I'll be adding 1 liter of water. So I'll add 1 liter of water. I'll boil that water and then we'll show you the next procedure. Now now you can see the water is boiling. So this is the point at which I'll be adding the rice. It's already soaked for almost half an hour to 45 minutes. So at that point of time, I'll be adding rice. So I'll mix it. I'll cook it for a while and then we'll put on dum. Now you can see water is almost dry. At that point of time the rice is not cooked. You can see. So this is the point at which I'll be putting it on dum. So I'll place my special equipment under the pot and put it on a very low flame, put it on dum for about 30 minutes. You can see this is the process of dum. Just put it on a very low flame, as minimal as you want. This is my special equipment. I've made it from tin. Then I'll be putting the pot. I'll be putting it for dum for 30 minutes. Now you can see over here the rice are properly cooked, and now this is the point I'll be removing it from it. I'll just off the stove and keep it in the pot for next 5 minutes. Tasty chicken pulao is ready to be served. Enjoy. Bye.